While world-class thinkers understand the importance of saving and investing, they direct their mental energy toward accumulating wealth through serving people and solving problems, writes self-made millionaire Steve Siebold in How Rich People Think, which he wrote after studying millionaires for over 25 years. So, if you want to learn to multiply your money and become super rich, take the below tips to heart. Let's look at the 10 ways rich people multiply their money. Tip number 1. Find symbiotic flows. You won't get rich without multiple flows of income, says self-made millionaire Grant Cardone, who was deep in debt before reaching 7 figures. That starts with the income you currently have. Increase that income and start adding multiple flows. You want what are called symbiotic flows. Do not just add disconnected flows. Symbiotic flows are to find other ways you can add income to the job you already have. Tip number 2. Pay yourself first. According to self-made millionaire and best-selling author David Bach, there's one proven easy way to get rich, and that is to pay yourself first. What that means is simple. Bach writes in The Automatic Millionaire. When you earn $1, the first person you pay is you. Most people don't do this. What most people do when they earn $1 is pay everyone else first. They pay the landlord, the credit card company, the telephone company, the government. Bach writes. They pay themselves whatever is left over. The key to paying yourself first is to make it automatic, meaning, to have money taken out of your paycheck and sent straight to your savings, retirement, or investment account. After all, you can't spend what you don't have in your pocket, Bach says. Tip number 3. Invest your money every single day. In just 5 years, Grant of Millennial Money went from having $2.26 in his bank account to $1 million. On his blog, the 31-year-old self-made millionaire shares the single most important hack he's used to build wealth. I break down all of my money goals into daily goals. I still deposit money every day into my investment accounts. He started with the goal of setting aside $50 a day. At first, some days it was only $5, but I rarely missed a day, Grant says. Then I started trying to make as much money as possible every day so I could invest it. I stopped thinking long-term and thought every day about making that $50 threshold. His daily goal of $50 deposits soon became his daily minimum. He started setting aside $70, then $80, then $100 a day. Then as my side hustles started really taking off, I started depositing over $500 a day. Then I put $5,000 in a day, then $20,000, and the rest is history. Tip number 4. Change your mindset about money. Getting rich begins with the way you think and what you believe about making money, writes Siebold in How Rich People Think. The author continues. The rich eventually figure out that training your mind to find solutions to difficult problems is the real secret to making money. The good news is this is possible for anyone who conditions their mind to think this way, and then transforms idea into action. Tip number 5. Peer-to-peer lending. In recent years, peer-to-peer lending systems have become popular, allowing users to earn more significant returns by lending money directly to borrowers. Investors may obtain interest payments that significantly increase their original investment by bypassing typical financial intermediaries. However, examining borrowers' creditworthiness, diversifying your loans, and understanding the possible hazards associated with this sort of investing is critical. Research extensively before engaging in peer-to-peer lending and choose a reliable site that matches your risk tolerance. To reduce the risk of default, carefully assess borrower characteristics, credit ratings, and loan reasons. Spread the risk of your loans among several borrowers. Monitor your investments regularly and reinvest your earnings to compound your gains. Tip number 6. Connect with other successful people. Another way rich people multiply their money is by networking with other successful or wealthy persons. Networking with these persons exposes you to ideas and opportunities in their sphere that you might not necessarily know if you were alone. Go to conferences and events, connect with like-minded and wealthy individuals, and see your portfolio after some time. Also, you should know that relationship is a powerful currency. Tip number 7. Never retire completely. One of the ways rich people multiply their money, even in old age, is that they never retire. It is not that they can't afford to do so, but they love what they do. They go for vacations, rest, and have a fun time in their old age. but still are connected to their businesses and investments, although they might not be active as before. So, think and plan for a retirement business that won't require much physical activity or presence. Tip number 8. Invest in real estate. Anyone looking to enhance their financial status has long been interested in real estate investing. Whether purchased as houses, companies, or rental properties, real estate investments can grow in value over time and provide a reliable source of income. Mortgages and other secured loans may offer financial advantages to your business. However, when considering an investment in real estate, it's crucial to consider not just the price but also the location and upkeep expenses of the property. Before making a real estate acquisition, keep things like employment growth, population growth, and rental demand in mind. Investigate the property, find out as much as you can about it, and calculate how much money you might make by selling or renting it. Instead of allowing for individual property purchases, crowdsourcing websites and real estate investment trusts have allowed groups to engage in real estate developments. Tip number 9. Invest in the stock market. The stock market is a popular and potentially lucrative way to multiply your money. Those who invest in publicly traded companies may receive dividends and capital appreciation as returns. Before investing in the stock market, research, diversify your funds, and evaluate your risk tolerance. Investing in both established and innovative companies could increase your return on investment. Diversify your investments across various companies and categories of assets to mitigate risk. It is essential to routinely evaluate and alter your help to ensure that it continues to support your long-term objectives. You can open a trading account or employ a financial manager if you are interested in trading or need assistance managing your finances. Tip number 10. Passive income through equities and bonds. One low-risk financial strategy that everyone should consider is investing in equities and bonds, said Adam Garcia, owner of the Stock Dork. Even if you put in more hours and save more money, as Warren Buffett puts it, you will labor till the day you die if there is no money in your sleep. He said, you should let your money work for you as you collect interest and dividends on your investments. The dividends you receive will vary depending on the performance of the firm and the size of your investment, but many of the world's finest investors use this method to make money passively. He said investors can choose from a wide range of different types of bonds, each with its own unique advantages. As an investor, you should look for a company with a secure payout ratio of 40% to 50%, and a yield of 4% to 6% is regarded as a respectable rate. To multiply your money, you must use a mix of careful preparation, intelligent decision-making, and patience. By researching these 10 specific tactics, you may uncover possibilities to expand your wealth over time. However, remember that investing entails risk and that previous success does not always indicate future outcomes. With diligence, discipline, and a long-term perspective, you can increase your chances of multiplying your money and reaching your financial goals.